Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be unboxing a special Evermoment take 4. Because the other 3 takes were complete disasters, and I've had to repack it and unpack it and repack it and unpack it and repack it and unpack it because of camera issues with my phone. And I was getting really frustrated, so I had to take a time out. So I said, you know what, I'm not repacking it. I'm not going to redo all of that and take it out of the box all nice and, hey, look, it's an Evermoment in a tube. Everybody knows what an Evermoment in a tube looks like. We've all seen it before. There's the tube, see? Hank has already chewed on the ribbon, and yeah. It's been that kind of day, folks. I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning, driving Lyft, and I got home, I went to bed. Got woke up by the mail lady early this morning because she brought my Evermoment Custom to me. So, you're saying, if special Evermoment Custom, what makes your Evermoment Custom so special, Dave? This is what makes my Evermoment Custom so special. There it is. That's what makes my Evermoment Custom so special. I took this picture, how long ago did I take this picture? Oh, several months ago. And as soon as I saw it, I said, that has got to be a custom. It's got to be. I've got to make it into one. So I contacted Zoe. She sent me some proofs. She sent me 3 proofs, as a matter of fact. And I settled on the 50 by 75 because there really wasn't much difference between the 60 by 80 and the 50 by 75 as far as appearance, as far as quality of the image went. So I went with the 50 by 75. It is a 34 color image. There's your inventory sheet. It is 34 colors, and there's hardly any 310s, and there's not really a ton of any one color in there. It's very, very well situated as far as evening out the number of colors. In fact, here's the drills for it. As you can see, they're all pretty well muted colors. They're the colors of Hank. So yeah, it's all my drills, and of course you got the Evermoment bags that come with it. And you got the standard Evermoment toolkit with the tweezers, the squishy, the pink pen, the 2 boats of wax, 6-placer, 3-placer, and a 1-placer. And the Evermoment washi tape gift. Purple in color. I might be able to use that somewhere. I don't know. I do appreciate the Evermoment washi tape. Maybe I'll start a collection of it, because I have a lot of Evermoment customs to buy here soon. Once I get money rolling back in and going well good. So I've already inventoried the drills. They're all there. They're in very good shape. The drills are of amazing quality, as you would expect from Evermoment. Let me pull one out here. There we go. You can pull out a packet of drills and you can get a good look at them up close. They are in really good shape. There's no trash. They all appear to be very, very flat on the bottom, and just overall really good quality drills like you'd expect from Evermoment. I can't wait to do this one. I'm almost afraid to peel back the adhesive because Hank is up here in the window right above the desk, and he uses my desk as a jumping off point when he gets out of the window. And I could just see me now uncovering the adhesive and then have Hank decide, hey, it's time for me to jump out of the window. So let me pull that adhesive back. I've already done it once or twice, and it looks really nice. I do love the canvas. Yes, I'll go ahead and do that now. So let me do it while I got a chance. Oops. Knocked something off my desk over there. And one more strip. There you go. There is my Hank Custom Evermoment. Let me flip that around there. That'll help. And if you take a look here, the drill field is all confetti. It is like 100% confetti. You have to excuse my light there. It's reflecting on the canvas. This whole, oh no, there we go. No, that will not do. Created a bubble in the paper and I didn't want one. There. Yeah. Let's put this paper down better. There we go. No bubble. No bubble, no bubble, no bubble. There we go. And strip number 3. I'm getting good at this. This is the 4th time today I've done this. There we go. Squeeze out all of the air. And there it is. There is the entire kit. There we go. There's my Evermoment Custom. I'm actually looking forward to doing this one. I can't wait, really. I think I might move it up in the line of things to do, because I mean, I really want to work on this one next, and I want to get it done next, because, well, because I do. But I've got some DACs I want to work on. I want to get my diamond art clubs. I've got a snack size diamond art club. It was the first one I bought, the Statue of Liberty with the flag, and it's kind of like 30 by 40. So I might do that one when I finish the unicorn, simply because, you know, it's a smaller one and it's a diamond art club, and I can get it done kind of quick because it is a 30 by 40, and it'd be the perfect time because it will be right around 4th of July when I start working on that one. So it'd be kind of perfect timing, 4th of July, nice patriotic diamond painting. So yeah. What I'll do, speaking of the unicorn, let me go grab that and put it here on the desk for you so you can see it. And here is the unicorn. He isn't complete yet. She, he, it, I guess, is not complete yet. I don't know if unicorns are he's or she's. I really don't. I'm guessing they're androgynous, asexual, agendered. I don't know. Somebody answer that. What genders are unicorns? Okay. Okay, folks. But yeah, there's my unicorn. She's almost done. Well, there's halfway. And there is halfway, so halfway up and down is right here, and halfway side to side is right here. So I still have a little less than a quarter of it to go. I should have this done by the end of June, I hope. I'm really pushing for it because I have to get it framed. And speaking of frames, I got my frames in for it. They're kind of wrapped in like a foam wrapper. That's the way they come when you buy them. These were shipped super quick. They got to me in like 10 days from China. Like 10 days. That's like unheard of fast for China, is 10 days. So, well, I'm not going to say unheard of, but they were already in the States at 7 days from the day I ordered them. I ordered them late one evening, and they shipped out the next morning, my time, because I got the notification the next morning that it shipped, and they were already in New York on day number 7. They got tied up in customs for a few days, or for a couple of days, and then they got here on day 10. So yeah, fast, super fast. I will always recommend that shipping for that company for DIY canvas stretcher frames. And I will be making a video of the framing with those frames, so I'm going to wait to unbox them when I do my video, because there are some small parts in there that could get lost, and I have a Hank. Yeah, so yeah, that'll be done. I'll be framing this unicorn with that video, so you'll get to see that process. It's not very long. It doesn't take long at all to use those canvas stretchers. I love them. I will swear by them. I'll do all my diamond paintings with them from now on. It makes them easy to hang too, and they're all just stretched canvas, because it's got the big open area in the back, and you can just hang 2 nails and just stick it up on 2 nails, and you're done. Yep. So yeah, that's the Evermoment Custom. That's the unicorn. And thank you very much, everyone, for watching, subscribing, leaving me all the nice comments. I do read all of the comments. I read all of them. I get notifications on my phone, and I do get to read them. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, I don't get to reply as often as I would like to. I would love to reply more and more often, but I just don't get to. Oh, here comes Hank. He wants to come visit. There he is. Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh. Yeah. Oh. You're a sweet kitty. Yeah. He's a weird cat. What are you doing? Well, jump. Yeah, you're a cat. I know you know how to jump off a disc. Stands there and meows like he wants me to put him on the floor. No, not happening. He's a cat. He can jump. But yeah, I do get to read them all. I don't get to reply as often as I'd like. I'm so busy. I work 8 to 5 every day. As soon as I get off work here lately, I've been turning on Lyft and Lyft driving until sometimes 10 o'clock at night. Coming home, maybe get to sit down and do a couple hours of diamond painting before I go to bed. And back up and at it again the next morning, do it all over again. And then Fridays and Saturdays, I go out at 6 o'clock on Friday night and drive until 3 a.m. or so, which I did last night. And tonight I'll go out here, 5, 6 o'clock this evening, and I will drive until after bars close. So Sunday is really my only day off, and so I try to enjoy that and get all my diamond painting done. I can do probably 2 or 3 of these sections on Sunday. So yeah, that's how everything's been going. I promise I will be doing better at watching all of y'all videos. I do watch a lot of them. I just don't get to comment, because I watch them at work while I'm working, and I'm not allowed to have my phone out and be typing on it. So I don't get to reply, but I get to watch your whipping chats. Especially I watch a lot of those while I'm working, because I can keep my earbuds in, I can stand there and work, and I can kind of zone out listening to y'all. And I try to jump into lives from time to time as much as I can and say hi. Like last night, I jumped into Mrs. Coffee's live like 2 or 3 different times for just a couple of minutes, because it seemed like every time I jumped in her live, my Lyft would go off with a ride request, which I'm not complaining about. I'll take all the rides I can get. But it just seemed like I would sit there for 20 minutes with no ride whatsoever, and as soon as I jump into a live, boom, here comes a ride. So yeah, I got to say hi. I'm sorry I didn't get to stick around. But yeah, that's the way it goes on Friday and Saturday nights. I'm probably not going to get to jump into lives for very long, but I'll try to when I can. So yeah, I'm all set here. I'm having a great time. I love my diamond painting. I love all the comments, so keep them coming. And until I see y'all again, rock on, y'all.